Today, we're going to the ocean. This was my friend William, who I met behind the starfish there. He's a really cool guy, and the starfish was really cool, but I wanted to show you him because he fascinated me. I got to talk with him, and he shared how he had a big business in Nairobi, and he gave it all up because he wanted to live a simpler life. He's a solid Christian man. He said that he could tell we were Christians as soon as he saw us. He said there was something in our eyes. He's a good guy. He told me stories about how he went up to northern Kenya and lived in the deserts and learned how to navigate using the stars, and how he has children, and he's a faithful husband, and he's just a simple driver now and takes delight in every single day, and has just learned to be content. It was a really cool conversation, and it made the whole trip worth it.
So, we're starting to get to know the kids a lot more. The red shirt boy, that's Hey-Ho, and he was the very first rainbow kid. He and his brother, his older brother, was looking for food for him and stealing some food for his 7-month-old baby brother. And that's when a woman decided to take the kids in, and they were the first rainbow kids.
This is the school, and so you see all these red panel areas. That's all the classrooms. The dining hall, as you've seen before, on the right, that's the kitchen where the tires are. On the left-hand side, that's where all the kids sleep. The rainbow kids. During the day, it's a school to about 200 kids. This week, we got them a boxing bag, which was pretty awesome. And they've been kicking it. They've been having fun. They're able to use what they've been taught. I've been teaching them jabs, jab cross, some hooks. I taught them uppercut. It's kind of hard to do on a bag. Push kicks, knees, elbows. I've been really emphasizing the need for self-defense, not violence. And the kids have taken it to life, like a fish to water. They're really good kids. Rambunctious, but obviously they're children. But they're just the sweetest kids ever. It's been a real pleasure teaching them. As you can see, Mickey is kicking the bag. Karembo, as they call her at the clinic.
Karembo is my local name at the clinic where I'm working. They said that I needed a local name, and Karembo means beautiful, so they named me that.
The older boys here, they've been doing awesome. Yeah, they got some form and things to work on. I only have them on Saturdays, but they've been doing really well. They're very apt to self-defense and fighting. Even the teacher is getting involved with the black shirt there. He wanted to lose some weight and get involved. He's doing awesome. It's been a really good time. They definitely have solid camaraderie amongst themselves. They're just really cool guys. Sometimes they push each other too hard, but it's because they're like brothers to one another. I've been teaching them control, but yeah, it's been really good. This hasn't been possible without Legacy Fight Club. We just want to give a big shout out to them. You know, this is an amazing experience and just a pleasure for us. So shout out to Legacy Fight Club in Barrie, Ontario. They're amazing.
So we made some new friends. This is Andrew, Tusha, and Lynne. Lynne and Tusha, we met them through the organization that Lynne works with. I wanted to do some volunteer work, and they kind of took us under their wing. So they showed us around the village, showed us all the best places to shop and get the Kenyan price. And this is a red snapper, and Tusha got it from the fish shop, and he wanted to make us an authentic Indian curry meal with the red snapper, and it was delicious.
So good.
This is the tailor shop that Lynne and Tusha always go to. They get all of their pants and dresses and stuff made there. The guys there are really fair and really nice.
Siku njema!
Siku njema!
We just wanted to thank everyone for following along on our journey. Sorry we're a little bit behind, but we'll have the next video up soon. We love you guys and we miss you.
Yeah, and we're blessed by this trip so much, and Dan and I have been so blessed, and we're so thankful for everything.
See you in the next video.